Hello, friends. Welcome to this session where I'm going to discuss strategies for ensuring artificial intelligence scalability in pharma digital supply chain. So let's look at the agenda first. It's about the integration, developing a clear artificial intelligence roadmap, investing in cloud-based infrastructure, focusing on data integration, prioritizing cross functional collaboration, providing comprehensive training, starting with a pilot project, ensuring regulatory compliance, building for interoperability, implementing continuous learning mechanism, establishing clear metrics, and finally the conclusion. So let's start with an introduction. Implementing a robust data management is most important tip, which should ensure data quality and consistency. Integrating data with various sources, because as we are capturing the data across the complete digital supply chain and mainly from the smart manufacturing area. Adopting advanced analytics, utilizing predictive analytics for demand forecasting, applying machine learning for process optimization, enhancing collaboration and communication, facilitating information sharing across all the departments, encouraging cross-functional teams development, investing in scalable infrastructure, upgrading IT systems to handle the large data volume, and finally, focusing on continuous improvements. Developing a clear artificial intelligence roadmap is a starting point. It should create a phased implementation plan because as it is, it's a huge process which is covering the complete digital supply chain management system. And even in the smart manufacturing, there are many more processes that are there. So aligning artificial intelligence initiative with a broader business objectives, which should be very clear. Prioritizing high impact project. Investment into cloud-based infrastructure is the starting point. You should utilize scalable cloud platform which can handle increasing data loads very efficiently and which should expand to complete supply chain as the complexities go on increasing. It should also focus on data integration. As you must have seen in the present legacy system, it's all silos based, and those systems, those data, they don't talk to each other. While when we are looking for the smart manufacturing, digital supply chain, data integration is the most important thing. It should have a centralized data layer for the implementation. It should integrate a diverse data sources, starting from demand side, supply side, manufacturing side, going up to financials. So integrating this is a very key requirement. This enables end-to-end visibility and this facilitates artificial intelligence driven insights. You have to prioritize the cross-functional areas for the collaboration. You have to encourage cross-functional collaboration by talking to the different teams or the different supply chain function, and they should all work together. As I mentioned in the last slide, we are connecting from the demand side, supply side, and the manufacturing. Our focus from the manufacturing has got extension to both the sides. And this needs to adopt to a AI initiative, artificial intelligence initiative. You have to develop and foster a culture of data-driven decision making, which is very important. Yeah, in our other slides, we are having more discussions onto these various topics. So please refer to them also. Promote the use of data in the decision making process and ensure that all the teams are aligned with a data driven goal. Know what really we want to achieve. This requires a comprehensive training to all the stakeholders. They may be in-house, they may be outside, like some stakeholders may be from marketing, some may be from the purchase side, so demand side, supply side, and even from the contract manufacturing side, all have to have work together. So it has to be having a hands-on training to all the staffs about the business processes, technologies, and adoptions to technology, and the decisions or help which has been required to adopt to those technologies to the best extent for achieving business excellence. This provides a practical experience with the AI tools. It ensures the staff for a comfortable use of artificial intelligence in their daily tasks, actually. Integration of the daily workforce promotes seamless collaboration between artificial intelligence system and human expertise. These have to really collaborate to achieve a best results. Enhance efficiency and productivity through AI integration. This you have to start with some pilot project. You can decide depending upon your priorities, which are the challenges, which can get you a deliverable results, tangible result, which can be seen quickly and can be accepted by all the stakeholders. There to begin with a smaller, focused artificial intelligence implementation, which demonstrates a quick read and shows you a return on investment onto your investment of people, processes, technology, everything. This scales to a larger initiative after the success and build the success of the pilot project, and that expands to artificial intelligence implementations gradually to other areas. We have to also keep in mind of ensuring the statutory compliances. Each system of artificial intelligence will also help a pharma focus specific regulatory requirements like CGMP, current good manufacturing practices, current lab practices, current distribution practices, and all those good practices to be supported by the required documentation. And you have to follow the standards which are really required from the pharmaceutical industry. Building for interoperability. Seamless integrations with the legacy system. You must be already having some legacy system, the data. It may be siloed based, it may be analog systems and all that. You have to develop a integration of capturing the data and moving further. So your artificial intelligence solution can work with the existing data and then going to the new systems and maintains the compatibility across the end-to-end supply chain management. Interoperability in the artificial intelligence design is required so that it can focus on creating adaptable new solutions, artificial intelligence solution, which will help in enhancing the efficiency and connecting the data. Implementation is always a continuous process. It's a continuous learning mechanism. You have to develop and you have to adapt to it. When you develop it, artificial intelligence model, you have to ensure that the models can improve over the time. And then when you think about innovation, you can go on improving, you can go on developing it. It's a continuous process. It utilizes the new data for the better performance. And then you have to adapt to it. Once you are developed, once you start implementing, you have to adapt to this things. You have to adapt by changing the required processes, maybe supply chain management conditions and all that. So it can improve, and you have to monitor, that the dynamics is really required, continuous changes, process improvements, and all that, which you go on developing those models by incorporating all those changes and all that. And finally, this you have to match that whatever your clear matrices are there. Those matrices, how you see, you have to quantify those achievements, your results and all that, and see how they have been moving. So you have to define the specific goals. You have clear objectives. It could be into distribution, it could be into warehouse, it could be into production, it may be into quality, it may be into procurement, all those things. So you have to define those clear objectives for artificial intelligence implementation, and then ensure that the goals are being aligned with the supply chain needs. Those should be the practical. Those should be the goals where you want to achieve the business excellence and all. And these goals are to be measurable. There are always quantifiable goals which are there to track those progress. Progress of implementing artificial intelligence, and then the matching with the supply chain management. So ensure those goals are realistic and achievable. Define those key performance indicators and link those artificial intelligence goals to key performance indicators, and monitor those indicators by measuring artificial intelligence impact and all, and track those progress with a regularly reviewing those progress, maybe weekly basis, monthly basis, quarterly basis, depending upon the goals which you set it, and demonstrate the value so that you can really see and achieve those ROI and all that. So finally, the conclusion what I want to share with you is that you have to draw the strategy for scaling up artificial intelligence models or processes and all that, which should really improve the efficiencies in your manufacturing operation. You should get a visibility across the supply chain for your better data-driven decision making. And this decision making should boost the plant capacities, plant performance, and achieve the goals. Hope I have been able to share my thoughts with you. Feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye.